Replace the power cord. Before operating, you need to prepare tools. 1 Torx screwdriver. Open the machine cover. There are 3 branch wires in the power cord, and removing these 3 wires can completely remove the power cord. Unplug the brown branch wire connecting the walking pad. Unplug the blue branch wire connected to the red wire. Align the screw on the walking pad crossbeam. With a Phillips screwdriver, rotate counterclockwise. Remove the screw from the yellow and green branching wire on the walking pad, and remove this wire. At this point, the entire power cord can be pulled out of the hole in the walking pad crossbeam. Now you can reinstall the new power cord. Pass the 3 branch wires of the power cord through the screw hole of the walking pad crossbeam simultaneously. Insert the brown branch wire plug back into its original position. Connect the blue branch wire to the red wire back. Align the yellow and green branch wire with iron ring with the screw hole on the walking pad crossbeam. Insert a screw to secure them. Simultaneously use the Torx screwdriver to turn the knob clockwise to secure the screw. After replacing the power cord, install the cover and power it on. It can be used normally.